Hi, this is Accutek car audio in Winchester. Here's a little video of a Hyundai i10. It's got the or did have the factory navigation unit in that's gone faulty. The unit is just over £5,500 to replace. So what we've done, we've converted, I'll turn the volume down, we've converted this fascia trim so it's the non-navigation dash. Therefore we can fit this ACV fascia trim and the KENWOOD. The actual unit is a DMX80AXS, which is a 9-inch screen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wired and wireless. And we've got all the volume controls all working here, which is a nice feature, along with your up and down tracks, answer and end. We have got on this particular one, there's your widgets on CarPlay, but we have got your standard CarPlay features, which you'd have all your Apple Maps, Google Maps, audio, BBC Sounds, etc. This has also got, like I said before, Android Auto, which is a nice feature wirelessly. We can go to the home screen here. You've got FM radio, no DAB, because you can get DAB on CarPlay and Android Auto, so there's actually a better quality as well in regards to the bit rate. So it's nicer using the CarPlay or Android Auto for your digital radio. This has got a camera input as well, although this car hasn't got a camera fitted to it, but you can have a camera fitted onto this screen as well, which is a nice feature. And there we are, there's your other features that you do have for your Bluetooth audio, etc. If you'd like to have this done in your i10, get it converted from a navigation version to a Apple CarPlay Android Auto one using this nice fascia trim for a 9-inch screen, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.